Meaning of inherit.
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 Inherit. The term inherit refers to the passing down of traits, characteristics, or properties from one generation or predecessor to the next. It is commonly used in the context of genetics, where traits are passed down from parents to offspring. In programming, inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and methods from a parent class, making it easier to reuse code and improve code organization. Inheritances can be single, multiple, hierarchical, or hybrid. Overall, inheritance is a fundamental concept in various fields that involves the passing down of qualities from one entity to another.